What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. I hope y'all had a good day today. Pretty straightforward. This was our short level, or put level. I guess we were a little bit early, but you shouldn't have got stopped out. Target was the previous day, or sorry, December value area low, which we literally hit, and we were looking also for from below, come back up, retest. Calls, this was below. This is our retest. This is your entry for calls. And we were targeting previous day value area high. Both would have paid very well. Pretty straightforward, easy day. Apologize that I did not go live today like I had planned on. The what was it? I couldn't sleep last night. I was up until about 2 hours before the market opened. And then I was finally able to fall asleep. I wasn't trying to wake up this morning. I actually just completely turned off my alarm. Anyway, hopefully you guys banked without me. Sorry that I was not on. There's our daily levels. We are also able to draw SIGs over the last 2 days. Also, I have to be pretty quick today. I explained to you guys yesterday, but my son has his music practice or band practice like hour and a half drive away. So I have to leave here in about 30-45 minutes, give or take. Looks like our second SIG slash third SIG at the bottom is going to be the same exact level. Which just means they were buying there like crazy. Third SIG at the top should be a little bit higher, yeah. TPO, poor low, poor high. All right. Excuse me. Heard I was sick. When did you hear that? I was sick last week. Let's check out Fear and Greed. Should be in neutral still. Yeah. Calendar for tomorrow. Hour before the market opens, unemployment claims, final GDP quarter over quarter, final GDP price index quarter over quarter. 30 minutes after the market opens, this is going to give us some volatility. Core PCE price index month over month. And that's pretty much all. I mean, there's a bunch of tentative stuff, but we can't plan for that since it's tentative. that is pretty much it. Let's zoom out, look at the daily. Yeah, I really wanted them to come back and tap this 73 level where we were accumulating and then go from there. Go make new higher highs, but you can't always get what you want. Futures we can't really look at. They haven't closed yet, so unfortunate. Let's zoom out. Oh, massive volume today on the day, and should be a double distribution rate. Sorry, I didn't really look at that, but I'm pretty sure it is. Should have volume, yeah, down here and volume up here. B-shaped profile. Last but not least, let's open up our cluster charts and see what we have going on there. Start here, see if we have any imbalances. Nothing. Up here at 95. But it looks like this is pretty old. Yeah. The 14th. Could still come into play. I think this will only apply to futures traders, but big volume up here you want to be aware of. 33 to 36. I would be short. Okay. Let me close this. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit harder to trade. Pretty congested through here. Ideally, I would like to see them come down, lose our poor low, regain. Depending on how they do it, you're going to want... if they just barely peak below and come back inside, you can just slap calls. If they go below a little bit more and then finally come back inside, you're going to want to wait for a retest. So I'm just going to kind of circle this whole area. Things are going to get sketchy. I think this is possible. And you can grab a couple of points. I wouldn't try to take it too high. There's a lot of resistance up there. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty bullish going into tomorrow. This is also going to be a good level to initially grab puts. I just think we might come in here, get a little sell-off, and then go. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. This here would be just down to here, and then I would close. Actually, let me... All right. If you guys have any questions, now would be the time. If not, 80% of what? Overnight. Oh, you're saying like go outside of today, come back in. I mean, it's possible. Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing, right? But so you're talking about coming back inside, value area high, right? Retest and go. It could happen. And that's exactly actually why I'm looking for calls down here. I think we might sell off overnight. I think tomorrow will be bullish, though. I'm gonna go post the whatchamacallit. Triple G, if you were on yesterday, you would know that I was going to be early today. You just oust yourself. I'm going to go post screenshots. And then I'm going to go get ready to go. Did our Google trigger? It did. And it won. I'm not going to mark this as a win on my log because we were not looking for this to happen today, but I kind of figured it would play out today. So this gets marked as invalid. Love you more, Triple G. All right. I'm going to go get ready. Excuse me. Yeah. Y'all have a good one. Pretty good chance I'll be live in the morning for people in the mentorship group and Shorty's group. And I guess with that said, much love, much respect to all of y'all. We will see you tomorrow evening if you don't have access to those places. Peace out. Bye.